Hey, what is up? This is Tyler Pratt. So if you're looking for a copy and paste system, something that you can make upwards of $50 or more consistently on a daily basis, well, I'm going to show you in this video a very cool website that you can use and start making some money, start getting paid weekly, right into your PayPal, get a wire transfer, anything like that. Okay, I'm going to show you exactly how to do this in this video. Now, you are going to have to trade time for money. You're going to have to know how to do social media and things like that in this video. If you want to get some information though on passive income that comes into you consistently, $200 or $300 on a daily basis, we'll click on that link in the description below. I'm going to give you my #1 recommended opportunity right here online. Now, before we get started though, make sure you hit that subscribe button, and there's a bell next to that subscribe button. Then you get notified of all the videos that I come out with to you on a daily basis. I don't want you to miss any of them, and you'll get notified when they come out. So let's jump right into this. So how to make $50 a day with this copy and paste system. Now, like I said, you need to know social media, and you need to have some social media accounts set up in order for this to work. But this is going to be affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing to me is the best way to earn income online. All you're doing is promoting other products, and you get paid for it. And right now I'm going to show you how you can promote a free product, a bunch of free products actually, and you're going to consistently make money. So we're going to go to Google, and what I want you to do is type in SharePop, P-O-P, so SharePop. Okay, you're going to see SharePop right here. Okay, now what SharePop is a place where you can promote and share different apps. Okay, when people download the apps, you're going to get paid. Okay, so and the apps are going to be free, so there's not going to be anybody to make, they're not going to have to put up money for this. They're going to download the app. You're going to get paid for that. This works on both iOS and it works on Android. Okay, so you can see that this website it's a very good website, and we're gonna log in here, and I'll show you the back office here in a sec. But just understand that you're gonna be using affiliate marketing. So you're gonna have a link. Okay, they're gonna give you a special link to promote different offers, and then you're gonna take that link and you're gonna go out to social media websites, and you're gonna promote this. But I'm gonna show you exactly how to do that. I'll show you which websites, social media websites, that will work for you on how to do it. So let me log in really quick. So this is one of my other SharePop accounts, and what you do is you'll see campaigns over here to the left. You can set up payments, so you can have PayPal, you'll have wire transfer. They pay out once a week with this. So you go to campaigns and you just click on apps, okay? And you can see right here, this first one right here is going to be pay per purchase. So what you do, you can see it's going to be for Australia, Canada, Great Britain, and the US. Now there's going to be different offers down here that's going to have different countries. So here's one that has a bunch of different countries. So Denmark, there's Spain, there's France. So you can promote to these different countries, and you can make money with this. So here's what's going to happen. You're going to have 3,000 coins per download. So that means you're going to roughly make about $3 per download. Now this is going to be something that's let me go back here, and so what you'll do is you can either promote it in Android or you can promote it on iOS. Now really what you're going to be doing is you're going to be promoting one link, and when somebody comes there, they're going to have a choice between either Android or iOS. So it's not like you're going to have two different links. So what you'll do is you come in here, and it's going to say generate link. So you generate the link, you say, I got it. Okay, so here, this right here is a special link that would be connected to you. So this is what you would promote. You promote this link, and you would get paid for it. So you'd copy this link. Okay, so you'd copy this link right here, and this is what you would go to, and you would go and you can promote it on your Tumblr blog. So if you have a Tumblr blog, you can post photos, and you can post a link there. If you have a Twitter account, you can go to Twitter. You can put it into your bio right here at Twitter. You can also promote it into your Twitter feed right here. Okay, so you just take that link and you would post it in there. If you have an Instagram account, you can build that up, and then you can put the link in the bio of your Instagram account. So if your Instagram account starts to get really, really big, more and more people will start to click on the link in your bio. Also with YouTube, you can create YouTube videos, and you can put the link in the description below of your YouTube videos. Now, if you're not familiar with how to make YouTube videos, you can go to Chrome, and there's a great plugin for the Chrome browser. Okay, it's called Screencastify. It's a free plugin that you can plug in right here. And if you have a what this is going to do is you can do a video like this if you want to, but you can also do it without a video. You can do it just a screen capture. So right now you could be able to screen capture your computer screen. You could talk about the app. You could talk about different things about the app, and then you can give a description in below. Okay, so that's a great program. So you would use Screencastify. This could make videos for you, and you can upload these videos to YouTube. You can also upload them to Vimeo. Also, Dailymotion is another great video platform. Also, Facebook. You can go to Facebook and you can promote it onto your fan page if you want. You can promote it onto your personal wall if you want. So Facebook has a lot of different options on that. If you create a video through Screencastify, you can upload that to your Facebook account, and you can put a link. You can put your affiliate link underneath that. Okay, so each of these different offers are going to pay out a little differently. Okay, so like this one right here is going to pay out $5.50 for every free download. So just think about this though, when you take this link and you copy it and you post this all over the place, then somebody could click on that link anytime during the day or anytime, all of the time. The more people that click on it, the more people that go to that link and they download that app, the more money you're going to be making. Okay, so as your traffic and as you start to promote more heavily onto social media, then you're going to get more and more people click on your link. They're going to go there, they're going to download that, and you're going to get these coins. You're going to be able to redeem these coins for cash, and they'll put those coins right into your PayPal account. All right, so those are your different options. All you gotta do is just take your link and promote it everywhere you can online to any, YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, Tumblr. All these great places out there will allow you to promote this link out there. And all you gotta do is just tell people, hey, click on this link, download this free app, and you can use this free app on your iOS or Android device. Okay, now some of these other ones you're gonna have to upgrade your account. All they're going to do is just ask for questions about your account. They're just going to ask for your social media profile here, and they're going to ask you how you promote that. Okay, so they're just not going to open up a lot of these to everybody. Like here's another one, Fiverr. Here's another one that you can promote. Here's one that pays out $2. So you can generate the link here, generate this link, and then you have your own unique link here. So when you sign up or register as your account, this link would be different. It'll be unique to you, and then it'll be unique to your account. That way you get credit for it. Okay. So there you go. If you want to get some information on passive income though, click on the link in the description. I'll give you my #1 recommended opportunity right now. If you like this video, click on the like button. Also share it with your friends. Comment below. Let me know how I can help you and your success online. So this is Tyler Pratt. Hope you enjoyed that. We'll see you on the next one.